न्यू वाडे शांतीनगर वास्को हांगा आशिल्ल्या रेल्वे रुळा वयल्यान वचपी पुलाची पळोवणी केंद्रीय मंत्री पियुष गोयल आनी थळावो आमदार तशेंच गोंय राज्याचो मंत्री माविन गुदिन्होन केल्या. शांतीनगर आशिल्लो रेल्वे पूल लोकांक येरादारी करपा खातीर कमी पडटा, देखून रेल्वे मंत्रालयान थंय आनीक एक पूल उबारपाचो अशी मागणी माविन गुदिन्होन केंद्रीय मंत्री पियुष गोयला कडेन केल्या, अशी माहिती मंत्री माविन गुदिन्होन पळोवणी केल्या उपरांत पत्रकारांक दिल्या.
The Honorable Railway and Commerce Minister Shri Piyush Goyal ji arrived in Goa. I brought him for a site inspection of the rail overbridge. So many years we are demanding that we need another bridge over the South Central Railway overbridge there, because you have seen during peak hours what happens. Traffic is completely blocked. School children, common public, all vehicles choco-block and get choco-block, and there is no question of movement of traffic in that area. So I had proposed another bigger bridge alongside the existing bridge. Existing bridge cannot be widened because it's, number one, it is very narrow. It has other amenities like PWD, water pipeline, electrical cable. If you go to make those changes, then you'll have to close the bridge for 1 or 2 years. That work is going on. So we should have another bridge side by side, and both can be made one ways if that much space is not available. So he has given instructions to the railway officials, immediately draw up an estimate, send the proposal before me and take approval and do it on topmost priority. These are the instructions of the Honorable Railway Minister. I am very grateful to him that he has considered so quickly and so fast a long pending demand of Dabolim constituency, particularly people from New Wadem and all surrounding areas around the airport.